Welcome to the world of luxury, where every detail matters. Today we're looking at the manufacturing process of a Rolls-Royce Phantom, the car that's more like a piece of art than just a ride. The Phantom isn't just any car, it's the ultimate symbol of luxury and craftsmanship. But what goes into making such an incredible machine? And how do they transform raw materials into a masterpiece on wheels? Join us as we take a tour of the Rolls-Royce factory, where talented artisans and engineers work their magic. We'll see how they handcraft every detail and put together the latest tech to create something truly magical. Let's dive right in. When we talk about the design of the Rolls-Royce Phantom 8, it's clear that this car is all about evolution and refinement, building on the iconic style of its predecessor. The Phantom 7, the latest model, retains many of the classic design elements that make a Rolls-Royce instantly recognizable. The Phantom 8 features a short front overhang and an upright front end, giving it a strong and commanding presence. Its long bonnet, set back passenger compartment, and flowing rear end all contribute to its timeless elegance. One of the standout features is the rear opening coach doors, which add a touch of classic sophistication. For the first time in a Phantom, the signature Parthenon radiator grille is seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, creating a sleek and unified look. Available in two wheelbase lengths, the Phantom offers versatility to suit different preferences. The short wheelbase version is the most compact Phantom since 1939, making it perfect for those who value agility alongside luxury. Now let's step inside the Rolls-Royce factory, a true haven for luxury car enthusiasts. Located in Goodwood, this is where all Rolls-Royce models come to life. The Goodwood factory is about 8 miles from the Rolls-Royce Technology and Logistics Center, which opened up in 2016. Since 2009, Goodwood has been the birthplace of the Ghost, the 7th generation Phantom, the Cullinan SUV since 2018, and the brand's first electric vehicle, the Spectre, introduced in 2023. Each of these models showcase the factory's commitment to excellence and innovation. With over 1,700 dedicated employees, the factory ensures that every car meets the highest standards of quality. If any issues arise, the team goes back to the drawing board to fix them, making sure that no problem persists. This commitment to perfection is what sets Rolls-Royce apart. A YouTube video provides a fascinating glimpse into the manufacturing process, highlighting the paint room where experts carefully match the paint to the customer's chosen color. It's a testament to the factory's dedication to delivering a perfect finish. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is built on an aluminum space frame chassis, part of the brand's modular architecture of luxury platform. Depending on the model, the Phantom stretches out to 226.9 inches in the standard version, or 235.5 inches in the long wheelbase version. This framework ensures that every Phantom delivers the exceptional luxury and elegance Rolls-Royce is known for. The journey of creating a Rolls-Royce Phantom begins with an idea that evolves through intense collaboration between Rolls-Royce's designers and engineers. At this stage, the focus is on brainstorming and conceptualizing the vehicle's overall look and feel. Designers sketch out initial concepts. Exploring different shapes, lines, and styles, they consider the Phantom's iconic features, like its signature grille and majestic proportions, which are essential to its identity. These sketches then transition into detailed digital renderings. Rolls-Royce employs sophisticated 3D modeling software to create a virtual prototype of the Phantom. This software allows designers to visualize the car from every angle, making it easier to assess how each design element works together. They can adjust the curvature of the body, the placement of the headlights, and even the texture of the grille, all while maintaining a cohesive design. Designing a luxury car like the Phantom isn't just about making it look beautiful. It's also about ensuring it performs at the highest level. The design team works closely with engineers to balance aesthetics with functionality. For example, while the sleek lines of the Phantom contribute to its elegance, they also need to optimize aerodynamics to improve fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. Engineers and designers use simulations to test how the car's design will perform in real-world conditions. They input variables like wind resistance and weight distribution into the simulations to ensure that the car is not only visually stunning, but also aerodynamically efficient and stable at high speeds. Once the digital design reaches a satisfactory level, it's time to create physical prototypes. This step involves building a series of prototype vehicles based on the virtual model. These prototypes are crafted with the same attention to detail as the final production cars, although they may not yet include all the luxury features or final finishes. The prototypes undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet Rolls-Royce high standards for performance, safety, and durability. This includes testing the car's handling, acceleration, braking, and stability under various conditions. For instance, engineers test how the Phantom performs on different types of roads, in extreme temperatures, and under high-stress situations. Testing is an essential part of the prototyping process. The goal is to identify any issues or areas for improvement before moving into full-scale production. During this phase, the prototypes are subjected to a battery of tests. These tests include everything from checking the car's structural integrity to evaluate its comfort features. Feedback from these tests is crucial. If engineers notice any performance issues or design flaws, they use this information to refine the design. This might involve adjusting the car's suspension systems to improve ride comfort or redesigning certain components to enhance safety. Once the prototypes have been thoroughly tested and refined, the final design is approved. This approval signifies that the design team is confident that the Phantom meets all the Rolls-Royce standards for luxury, performance, and safety. And at this point, the design is ready to move into the production phase. This transition from design to production is a critical moment. It marks the shift from creating a virtual and experimental model to preparing for the actual manufacturing of the vehicle. All the insights and improvements gained from the prototyping phase are applied to ensure that every Phantom that rolls off the production line is a masterpiece of engineering and design. The next step is the sourcing of the finest materials. For the Phantom, Rolls-Royce selects only the best wood, leathers, and metals. Exotic woods like walnut or oak are chosen for their beautiful grain and color. Each piece of wood is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. The leather used is just as meticulously chosen. Rolls-Royce sources premium hides, which are scrutinized for any imperfections. Only the most perfect hides make it to the interior. Once the materials are selected, they undergo a careful preparation process. The leather is dyed and treated to ensure it's soft, supple, and free from flaws. After this, it's cut into precise shapes for different parts of the car's interior, like the seats and door panels. Skilled artisans then hand-stitch the leather, a process that not only looks beautiful but also ensures durability. The wood used in the Phantom undergoes a multi-step preparation process. It starts with cutting the wood into thin slices, which are then dried and sanded. After sanding the wood, it's polished and treated with layers of lacquer to bring out the natural shine and protect it. This process requires a lot of skill and attention to detail to ensure the finish is flawless. Assembling the interior is a detailed process where every piece must fit perfectly. The leather upholstery is carefully installed onto the seats and other surfaces. The wooden trim is precisely aligned in the dashboard, door panels, and center console. The artisans ensure that everything is not only functional but also visually stunning. Once everything is assembled, the Phantom undergoes a final inspection. Every detail is checked to ensure that it meets Rolls-Royce high standards. This includes inspecting the leather stitching and the alignment of the wood trim. Any imperfections are corrected before the car is deemed ready. Creating the body of the Rolls-Royce Phantom is a detailed process carried out in a cutting-edge factory. It all starts with building the car's frame, which is the foundation of the vehicle. The frame is made from high-strength steel and aluminum, chosen for their durability and lightweight. These materials are cut and shaped using precision machinery to ensure that every piece fits perfectly. Once the individual components are cut, they're assembled into the frame of the car. This is where advanced robotics come into play. These robots handle the heavy lifting and precise positioning of the parts, ensuring that everything is aligned to perfection. The robotics are programmed to be incredibly accurate, which is crucial for maintaining the high standards of quality Rolls-Royce is known for. With the frame assembled, the next step is to attach the body panels. This is a careful process to make sure that the panels fit seamlessly onto the frame. Any imperfections or misalignments are corrected before moving forward. This ensures that the body panels align perfectly and that there are no gaps or inconsistencies. After the body panels are in place, the Phantom goes through a rigorous quality check. This involves a detailed inspection to catch any flaws or issues that might have been missed earlier. If any imperfections are found, they are fixed before the car moves to the next stage of production. Painting the Phantom is a process that combines both technology and artistry. Rolls-Royce offers a wide array of colors for the Phantom, including the option for bespoke colors tailored to individual customer preferences. The painting process involves several layers to achieve the perfect finish. It starts with a primer layer, which helps the paint adhere to the surface. Next, a base coat is applied, giving the car its color. Finally, a clear coat is added to provide a glossy, protective finish. Each layer is carefully applied and allowed to dry before the next one is added. This ensures that the final paint job is flawless, with a deep, glossy finish that complements the car's luxurious design. Moving on to the engine and drivetrain, the Phantom's engine is a standout feature. Rolls-Royce engineers designed a 6.75-liter V12 engine that combines immense power with a smooth driving experience. The engine is hand-assembled by skilled technicians who meticulously inspect each component to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Once the engine is assembled, it undergoes a series of tests. These tests check for performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. The engine must pass all these tests to ensure it operates flawlessly before it's installed into the Phantom's chassis. The drivetrain, including the transmission and suspension, is also carefully crafted. Rolls-Royce uses advanced technology to ensure the Phantom delivers an exceptionally smooth and responsive driving experience. The suspension system is particularly impressive, featuring an advanced air suspension that adjusts to the road conditions. This technology helps provide an incredibly smooth ride, making every journey in the Phantom a luxurious experience. Once the body and engine of the Rolls-Royce Phantom are ready, attention turns to the interior assembly, where Rolls-Royce dedication to craftsmanship truly stands out. The process begins with fitting the leather upholstery. This is no ordinary task. The leather used is hand-selected for its quality and softness. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-stitch the leather, ensuring that every seam is perfectly aligned and every surface feels luxurious to the touch. The leather is carefully fitted onto the seats, door panels, and other surfaces, ensuring it complements the overall design of the interior. Next, the wooden trim is installed. This step is particularly delicate because the wood needs to be aligned precisely and polished to the highest standard. Each piece of wood used in the Phantom is unique, and the artisans work to ensure that the grain patterns match and complement each other perfectly. This involves matching the wood grain across different panels and ensuring that each piece is finished to a high gloss, reflecting the bespoke nature of the vehicle. The dashboard and control systems are then added. Rolls-Royce integrates the latest technology to make sure that controls are both functional and intuitive. The interior is equipped with high-quality sound systems and advanced climate control features. One notable addition is the gallery, a customizable display section on the front seat veneer, where customers can incorporate unique materials or artwork, making each vehicle truly one of a kind. When it comes to the suspension and steering, the Phantom is equipped with self-leveling air suspension and electronically controlled dampers at both the front and rear. This advanced system includes a double wishbone front axle and a 5-link rear axle, providing a smooth and responsive ride. The Phantom also features active anti-roll bars to minimize body roll during cornering. The suspension system is linked to a stereo camera mounted behind the windscreen. This camera scans the road ahead and adjusts the springs and damper rates, as well as the anti-roll bars, to enhance ride quality. Known as the flag bearer system, it operates efficiently at speeds of up to 100 km per hour. Additionally, the Phantom is the first Rolls-Royce to feature 4-wheel steering. This system allows the rear wheels to turn counter to the front wheels at speeds below 60 km per hour, improving maneuverability. At speeds between 60 and 80 km per hour, the rear wheels remain fixed, while at speeds above 80 km per hour, the rear wheels turn in the same direction as the front wheels to enhance high-speed stability. This system helps the Phantom maintain its graceful handling and stability across various driving conditions. To further enhance ride comfort, the Phantom uses silent seal tires co-developed with Continental. These tires feature an inner foam layer that reduces cavity noise, lowering the sound levels in the cabin by up to 9 decibels. This contributes to the serene and quiet environments Rolls-Royce is known for. Under the hood, the Phantom boasts a twin turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine, which is at variants of BMW's N74 engine, specifically tuned for the Phantom. This powerful engine ensures a smooth and commanding driving experience. The engine is paired with a ZF 8HP 8-speed automatic transmission, which is linked to a GPS receiver. This system analyzes the car's location and speed to optimize shift timing for a more refined driving experience. Before the Phantom can leave the factory, it undergoes an exhaustive quality control process. This involves both automated and manual checks to ensure every aspect of the car meets Rolls-Royce's stringent standards. Advanced technology inspects the paint and bodywork for any imperfections, while skilled technicians conduct a thorough inspection of the interior and mechanical components. Any issues discovered during this process are promptly addressed to ensure that each Phantom meets the highest level of luxury and performance expected from the brand. Once a Rolls-Royce Phantom has successfully passed through quality control, it moves to the final assembly stage. This is where the finishing touches are applied to complete the car. The process begins with installing the wheels. Each wheel is carefully mounted and balanced to ensure a smooth ride. Any remaining components such as trim pieces or minor fittings that were not installed earlier are now added. This includes anything from small decorative elements to essential mechanical parts. After all components are in place, the Phantom undergoes a final test drive. This step is crucial as it allows technicians to verify that the car performs to the highest standards. During the test drive, they can check various aspects of the car's performance, including engine responsiveness, handling, braking, and overall driving comfort. The goal is to ensure that everything functions correctly and that the car meets Rolls-Royce exacting standards. Once the final test drive confirms that everything is in order, the Phantom is prepared for delivery. The preparation involves a meticulous cleaning and polishing process. Every surface of the car is cleaned to remove any dust or fingerprints, and the paintwork is polished to a high gloss. The attention to detail here ensures that the car looks perfect when it reaches its new owner. For delivery, the Phantom can be transported to a dealership or directly to the customer, depending on their preference. Rolls-Royce ensures that the delivery process is handled with the same level of care and attention as the rest of the production process. The car is carefully loaded onto the transport vehicle to prevent any damage during transit. One of the most distinctive aspects of owning a Rolls-Royce Phantom is the opportunity to personalize the vehicle through Rolls-Royce's bespoke service. This service allows customers to tailor their car to their exact preferences. This can include choosing unique paint colors, selecting custom interior materials, and even adding personalized embroidery. Customers can work closely with Rolls-Royce's design team to explore a range of customization options and create a car that reflects their personal style. The bespoke process is highly detailed. It starts with discussion between the customer and the design team to understand the customer's vision. The design team then creates detailed plans and samples to ensure that every aspect of the customization is aligned with the customer's expectations. This might involve trying out different materials, finishes, and features to achieve the perfect look and feel. The Phantom has been highly praised by automotive journalists for its exceptional qualities. It's often regarded as one of the best luxury cars available. The car's refinement has received particular acclaim, with reviewers noting its exceptional quietness and smooth ride. Many have described the Phantom's ride comfort as a cut above anything else on the road, highlighting its magical driving experience. The interior of the Phantom also receives high praise. Reviewers frequently describe it as exemplary, wonderful, and spectacular. The car's driving dynamics are impressive given its size and weight. The Phantom is noted for its surprising agility, light and precise steering, and excellent brake pedal feel. In recognition of its outstanding attributes, the Phantom has received several prestigious awards. It was named Top Gear's 2017 Luxury Car of the Year and earned the UK Car of the Year Award's prestigious Best Luxury Car honor. Additionally, Autocar awarded the 2018 Phantom a 5-star car at their awards, highlighting its status as a top-tier luxury vehicle. So what are your thoughts on the manufacturing process of the Rolls-Royce Phantom? Did you enjoy it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.